How to block inappropriate ads on YouTube. If you're tired of seeing inappropriate or unwanted ads on YouTube, you can adjust your settings to limit the type of content you see. First, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap General. Scroll down and look for Restricted Mode. Turn on Restricted Mode. This setting helps filter potentially mature or inappropriate content on YouTube. However, keep in mind that Restricted Mode is designed to filter videos, not specifically block ads. If your goal is to see fewer personalized or sensitive ads, you may need to manage your Google ad settings separately. And that's how you can enable Restricted Mode on YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.